Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see, I have another hair tutorial for you guys. So you guys know that during the summer I love to do my loose twist hairstyles. I actually saw this style. It's inspired from a style that I saw on Instagram. I decided to try it on my own hair, and this is the result. I'm absolutely in love with this. Anyways, let's jump straight into the video. Oh, and stay tuned to the end of the video for a big announcement. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a hair tutorial for you guys today. So I saw this really nice style on Instagram. I actually saw a couple versions of it. I'm gonna put it here so you guys will see it, and I was like, let me try this on my hair. I haven't done my loose twist hairstyles in a while, so I just wanted to do something. So I wanted a really nice style that I could do and just like leave in for a long time. So I decided to recreate this style on my Esha Natural hair, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it and all the stuff that I used. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn your notification bell so that you're notified for when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start by showing you guys the section. So you want to do a section from the back of your ear to the back of your other ear, like so. Then you want to do a section at your crown. So yeah, I'm taking my time to show you guys the sectioning before we actually start doing the hairstyle. Pay attention to how I do the sections. Ignore the middle part in front. It's really not that necessary. What you're going to do is that you're going to do 3 horizontal sections. I guess the middle part just made it easier for me to do the horizontal sections. So those first 2 that I'm pulling up now, that's the first horizontal. And then you have the second one in the middle. So like I basically said, just split the front portion into 3 horizontal parts, and then you have the one at the front hairline as the third section, so 3. The products I'm going to be using are from Esha Natural. I have been so eager to get my hands on these products. You guys have no idea. It's a new product line they just came out with, and I love the ingredients. It has a lot of plant protein, biotin B complex, rosemary and coconuts infused. So this is the Curl Moisture Leave-In, made for all curly hair types. The first thing I noticed about it is that it's so smooth, and it has a really nice slip, really soft and smooth. So it's great for people that love to finger detangle. Like if you like to detangle your hair, even if you want to use brushes and combs, it has enough slip to where you can do that, and it's very hydrating. It soaks into your hair immediately. Like even when I was filming the video, I was a little worried you guys might not see the product in my hair because it just literally just soaks in. So I really like that. Next, I'm going to be taking the Curl Defining Smoothie. This is basically a cross between a moisturizer and a gel, sort of. So it moisturizes your hair and it also defines your curls. And as you can see, it has a really nice thick consistency. I used a little bit of this. I did not go too overboard with this at all. I used it mostly at the ends. Normally I would use this product to do like a braid out or a twist out, something like that, but I decided to try it and see if it will make any difference with the twisted style I was doing. Normally when I do twisted styles like this, on the first day I do the style, my twists are really like nice and elongated, and then by the next day I usually have a lot of shrinkage in my twist because my hair is 4C. So I decided to use this and see if it would help to kind of elongate my twists more so that they won't shrink up as much. A product like this, when you do like a twist out or a braid out, will help to like elongate your hair, elongate your curls so that you have more definition and hold. So I decided to try it and see if that would kind of apply to my twist. It would help to elongate my twist, and it actually did. I'm glad I tried it out like that. The next day after I did the hairstyle, even up to a few days after, you guys will see my twists did not shrink up as much as they would have if I did not use the Curl Defining Smoothie. And it also did give my twist a little bit of hold, so they looked a little bit smoother, and it helped to like basically keep my hair in place while I was twisting. So it definitely did make the twisting process easy, I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, as you guys can see, I'm putting black beads at the ends of my hair. So right now I'm just basically twisting the back section. You know, we sectioned it from ear to ear, so I'm just doing simple 2-strand twists at the entire back section. So yeah, as I said before, the products in this line contain plant protein and biotin B complex. They're also infused with coconuts, rosemary, no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. So the products are very clean and organic. So I'm done twisting the back, and as you guys look, see how nice my twists look. Nice, elongated, very smooth. Oh god, it's turning out nice. I was already excited by the time I got here. So now we are going to work on the front next. So I'm taking the leave-in and I'm applying it to my hair, just to like soften my hair up and make the twisting process easy, because we're going to be flat twisting the front. You want to use products that have nice slip whenever you're doing flat twists. Products are very moisturizing, so that it just makes the twisting process easier, so that you don't rip out your hair or anything like that. So now, you remember we split the front portion into 3 horizontal parts. So I'm taking the first horizontal part, the one that's right at my hairline, and I'm going to do a diagonal split. So as you saw in the hairstyle, there was this kind of zigzag pattern. So this is how you do it. You just split the horizontal sections diagonally. So now, as you guys know, whenever I want to do a flat twist, I always separate my hair into pieces. These are the pieces I'm going to be grabbing while I do my flat twist. I say this in every single video where I do flat twists. Yeah, always separate your pieces before you start flat twisting. It makes it much easier for you to flat twist, so that you don't rip out or break your hair. Just a nice simple flat twist. The hairstyle was actually done, the original hairstyle is done with braids, but you guys know I always twist, because braiding is so stressful for me. But if you prefer to braid, go ahead and braid. Me, I like to twist and flat twist. So I'm done with that section. I'm gonna put my beads, and we're gonna go over to the second half and flat twist that side as well. This is also a really great protective style, because it's a very low maintenance hairstyle. Honestly, like literally what I do is I tie my hair with a satin scarf to sleep, and then wake up the next morning and go. If I want to re-moisturize, just spray some water on my twist, apply a little bit of the leave-in, and that is it. It's a very, very low maintenance hairstyle, and it's hairstyles like this that actually grow 4C hair, because when your hair is styled, you don't have to worry about touching it, you don't have to worry about refreshing it constantly, you don't have to worry about it drying up. It's literally just styled and in place, and that is less breakage since you're not touching it all the time. So I absolutely love doing styles like this. So as you guys can tell on my face, I was already very, very excited. Like, I'm not even done yet, and I was super excited with the way it was turning out. Now I'm doing the second horizontal portion again, split it down the middle diagonally, and then do my flat twists. As you can see, I apply a little bit of that curl defining smoothie at the ends, just to again elongate and make the twist look smoother, and then I put my beads. So I'm done doing the horizontal sections. As you guys can see, the 6 sections, and you can see the zigzag pattern in front. Now we're going to work on that crown section. So this one, please pay attention to how the section is kind of weird here. So you're going to do a diagonal. One side will be split into 3 and the other side will be split into 4. So make one side a little bigger than the other, and then the side that is split into 3, you're going to do 3 sections there. If what I'm saying does not make sense, you guys are going to see the section while I'm doing the hairstyle, so don't worry about that. That is why this video is a little long. I recorded so you guys really see everything. So you have 3 sections there, and we're going to be flat twisting those sections going to the back. So again, I'm applying my moisturizing products, and I'm going to start flat twisting. So that is the first section. As you guys can see, actually I've done 2 sections, just remaining the section in the middle, and those are the 3 sections, so that you guys will see the direction in which they are going. So yeah, just like that. Kind of forms like a triangle, sort of. So now for the other side, we're going to be splitting that into 4. Again, you guys will see the sectioning as I'm doing the flat twist. So that is the first one. As you can see, it's still following the direction of the previous flat twist that I did. I'm just gonna keep going until I do all 4. See how nice and chunky my twists look. If you want to do this hairstyle and your hair isn't as long or as thick as mine, you can definitely add in Marley hair, Kanekalon hair, any extra braiding hair that matches your hair texture to achieve this same look. So yeah, I'm done twisting and it's nighttime and I'm gonna go to bed. So this is 3 days later, literally 3 days later. I have not done any refreshing. I have not done anything. All I do is literally just go to bed with a satin scarf, and this is how it looks. And as you can see, my hair is a little shrunken compared to how it was the first day, but it is like, it's just a little bit. You can't even tell the difference. If I told you it wasn't shrunken at all, you wouldn't even know. So my twists are still nice and elongated, and they still look very, very smooth, and I'm just in love with this hairstyle, honestly. So there is also an anti-itch relaxing scalp serum in the line, and it also again has plant protein, biotin B complex infused with coconut and rosemary and all of that. It does have an oily consistency. Personally, I don't really like to put oils on my scalp because I have seborrheic dermatitis from time to time. So yeah, I just use a little bit of it, basically mostly just to give my hair some shine. But I prefer to use scalp serums that are more water based as opposed to oil based. But if your hair can take oil, this is a nice oil to use. It has some nice ingredients. There's tea tree, eucalyptus, soybean, castor, sage, nettle leaf. So it has a really good ingredients list. Anyways, this is the final hairstyle. So stay tuned to the end of this video just to hear information on how you can maintain the style and also the announcement that I have. Okay, so this is day 3 after I actually did the twist. So when I was done doing the twist that day, I was really tired. I finished around in the night. So I obviously went to bed. The next day I was super busy. I couldn't film the this ending part of the video. So this is the 3rd day, and I'm actually glad I waited till the 3rd day to film the ending, so you guys will see how the hairstyle looks. Right now my hair is a bit shrunken compared to how it was the first day I did it. It's shrunken now. It has like set in its final form, and this is how it looks. So this is definitely a really nice hairstyle in my opinion. This is something I can rock a lot during the summer, and it's very low maintenance. What I do is just literally tie my hair with a satin scarf and go to bed. That is it, and wake up the next morning, and that is literally it. It's a very low maintenance hairstyle. If my hair gets dry and I want to re-moisturize, I'll just like take a spray bottle and spray a little bit of water on it, and then put some of the leave-in in my hands and just run it through my hair, and that is basically it. If you haven't seen my last natural hair video, I'm celebrating 10 years of being natural this year. My 10-year anniversary was actually in April. If you haven't seen the video, I suggest you actually click the ad at the top and go watch the video. And in that video I also announced that I've started doing natural hair consultations. I did consultations with a brand that I worked with recently. I talked to a lot of their customers and clients, trying to help them like figure out products and sort out their hair issues and stuff like that. So I decided to bring that onto my own platform, and now I'm doing natural hair consultations with you guys. So if you have any hair issues at all, anything that you want to talk about that's hair related, whether it's growth, length, retention, products to use, all of that, hairstyles, whatever it is regarding your hair, we can actually talk about it now one-on-one on Zoom, and I'll help you work through it, help you figure it out, and give you a practical solution that is very sustainable for your budget and your lifestyle. So I'm really excited. I announced it in my 10-year anniversary video, and a couple people signed up, and we actually did our Zoom meetings, and I was able to meet them and talk about the hair issues that they had, and we're actually able to find solutions that they've started implementing in their routine. So if you want to sign up for hair consultations with me, definitely click the link in my description box. I'm also going to put it on the screen. Click the link in my description box, choose a time slot that is convenient for you. Time slots are open to everyone around the world. You're going to see the time slots in your own local time, so you pick a time slot that is convenient for you. But yeah, definitely click the link in the description box to sign up for the hair consultations. And I think that is all I have for this video. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys want to see more twisting or braiding hairstyles for the summer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below, my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos and my 10-year anniversary video on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.